Fix 1. Make sure sync is enabled. Step 1. Open Samsung Notes. Step 2. Tap Menu Settings Sync with Samsung Cloud. Ensure the sync toggle is switched on. Fix 2. Check the internet. An unstable internet connection often disrupts sync operations. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Restart your router or switch to another network if necessary. Fix 3. Restart the device. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Tap Restart and wait for the device to reboot. Fix 4. Update the Samsung Notes app. Step 1. Visit the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store. Step 2. Search for Samsung Notes. Step 3. Tap Update if a new version is available. Fix 5. Manually trigger sync. Step 1. Open Samsung Notes and go to Samsung Notes Sync. Step 2. Tap Sync Now and wait for the process to complete. Fix 6. Check date and time. Step 1. Go to Settings General Management Date and Time. Step 2. Enable automatic date and time to sync with the network time. Fix 7. Ensure correct account login. Step 1. Go to Settings Accounts and Backup Manage Accounts. Step 2. Tap Samsung account and confirm you're logged in to the correct account. If needed, sign out and sign back in using the correct credentials. Step 3. Once logged in, go to Samsung Notes Settings Sync with Samsung Cloud to ensure sync is activated. Fix 8. Clear cache. Step 1. Go to Settings Apps Samsung Notes. Step 2. Tap Storage. Step 3. Select Clear Cache. Restart the app and check if syncing works now.